below formula. We have table 1, roll number, name and marks, and we have to pay details here. Roll number and marks, we have to fetch marks detail from sheet 1. So we will Vlookup. Select the cell, then comma, select the table. Marks column number is 3, so we mention here 3, put 0 and the complete bracket and press enter. Okay, we have select the cell, then select the table, then column number and put 0. The marks will come here for roll number 2 and 5. We changes here, the changes will be reflected here. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.